Hello everybody, now this is the Solido Renault Twingo. Now it is more damaged than I have thought. There is no seats inside, the wipers are missing, so is the rear lights. I've got only one side. We are going to paint this car. Now I have used this from plastic parts to make the rear lights. Okay, we just put it there and paint it red and glue it together. Now I have used this hook from the plastic and I'm going to cut it to make the seats, and I have burned this plastic and stretch it so I can make the wipers. So join me later while I put things together. Hello and welcome back again. Now this is the finished product. Made in France, Renault Twingo 143 scale, Solido. The seats are there. I used the plastic hook, cut it to make the seats, sprayed it gray color. Now the boot can be opened, and here the headlights I use plastic. And cut the shape. And then this is the wiper. It's a bit thin, if you can see it. Yes, there it is. So this is Renault Twingo, a lightly restored, painted, ready to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.